What's up you guys, welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to bypass the heater core in your car. But before you start working on your car, make sure that it's cooled down. And when it's ready, we will get started. Let's go. Bypassing the heater core won't harm the engine, but the heater and defroster system will no longer be functional. The heater core is a tiny radiator inside your car. It's almost always located behind the dash. Replacing the heater core is a time-consuming project and can be very expensive if you take it to a shop. Warm coolant flows through the heater core and the blower motor moves air over the heater fins through the vents. That's how the heater and the defroster work. When the heater core fails, it will start leaking coolant from the inside of the car and you'll notice the floor mats being wet. The loss of coolant can cause the engine to overheat. To prevent the engine from overheating, a temporary solution will be bypassing the heater core. Most heater core hoses go through the firewall. There are two hoses, one for the coolant to go in and the other one for it to come back to the engine. On my XJR, you can find the heater core hoses on the driver's side. On this Mustang, you'll find them on the passenger side. And on this Honda CR-V, they're towards the center. Raise the vehicle with a floor jack and place a catch pan underneath to catch the coolant spills. Remove the hoses from the heater core and link them together with a 5/8 connector. Depending on the shape of the heater hoses and where they're located, you can also use an L-shaped connector. I'll be using two 5/8 heater hose connectors and a U-shaped heater hose. Add some coolant before starting your car. Remember you guys, bypassing the heater core is only a temporary fix, so you could be able to drive your car and save some money until you're able to replace the heater core. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.